So probably gonna have the best pad in my life today. This is absolutely crazy. This is 50 baht. 30 baht? Are you serious? Whoa! Ice cream. Oh. Okay, we just woke up and just now it's gone again. Oh God.
他还是很害怕 Tiger 和 Blue。
Yeah.
我刚才早上想让他们可以 get along， 然后还是不行，他还需要更多时间。
嗯。
一开始。Feed the fishes.
Let's go. How many fishes are in the pond?
100.
Ah.
Yeah, but there's really small ones. Just
Okay.
this tiny.
Okay.
I cannot even see them.
Lucky? Good morning. Hi, Tiger. Good morning. 好的，今天就不用那么担心了。Take a look. Chestnut. Let's go.
I wish I had a golf car to drive on my land.
Here's the fish pond. It's about 1 minute walk from the house.
I saw one lotus flower is gonna bloom soon.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
That is fast.
That's
Wow.
You see that one, but it's still
Yeah.
very small.
Yeah, we planted it like 2 days ago. Lotus.
Fishes.
Eden actually didn't put anything in the water. This is just purely like natural water. Gotta practice.
Okay, better.
That's it?
Yeah. They're only 100. They're really tiny.
Ah, the rest field is not getting back.
那个番茄的苗，
啊
现在番茄已经结到吃不完了。
啊，真的啊？
这几块钱，你知道吗？
Yeah.
而且关键是你
Can you say it in English? You're just saying?
Yeah, I'm saying like planting your own things is probably the cheapest way to live. My mom told me she bought some like tomato seeds on online in China. It's like 2 yuan, and now she can have tomato like for every meal. It's never finishing. And then after harvesting, you can have new seeds again, and then you plant it again. Then they're endless, you know. But for the fishes too, like for each fish, this small, and
Yeah.
it's only 2 baht for each fish.
Ah, okay.
And they will grow into a size. Maybe you can eat them maybe in about 3 months.
Are you going to eat them?
I think so. There are 100 of them, and they're gonna make babies, right?
Grow faster so I can eat you.
And you only feed them. I have like this giant bag of fish food. I think I can feed them forever.
Okay.
And that's like, I don't know, like few hundred, 200 baht for that bag of food.
Damn.
San多几多？
มันยังอยู่ข้างล่างอยู่
ใช่ใช่ใช่
ตอนบ่ายๆอ่ะตอนบ่าย
We have wash machine, but it's broken. So.
Yeah, so I have to try it ourselves now.
咱往冲了。Okay, time to go out. Today the worker's gonna come here again to fix the floor. So it's gonna be super loud. And we decide to spend our day in the cafe. Already brought everything with us. Also gonna do some shopping later as well. So gonna take you guys to the town. I love your outfit today. It's so nice. Oops. Eden actually bought this car here, secondhand, but super cute, completely fit. Hey, Lucky.
Go.
We don't have to close the gate.
It's okay. The worker's gonna come anyway.
Okay, right. Lucky, do you want to sit here? Sit here? And let's sit here together.
Okay, sit here. 我打算装来着。
啊。
装上去，那也不知道管不管用。
Another sunny day. Okay, we are here. I actually passed by this cafe the other day. I was like, wow, this one is nice. They have indoor area, but they have this like mountain view. Okay.
然后其他的咖啡厅都跟他很熟了，所以
Okay.
我基本上都不给他带这个。
So there we got this view. Ah, this mountain just absolutely stunning. It's huge. You see it everywhere while you're driving around ChiangDao. So this is the cafe. Gonna be going inside over there. It's so pretty. Sky is so blue, so sunny. Oh, they also got food. Pad Thai, Thai traditional breakfast. Prices are quite reasonable. I want to take a look at the outside first. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, so I'll go order coffee. Yeah.
Latte and a rice soup.
Okay.
A rice soup here.
Ah, okay. I'll have coffee first, and I think I have some food as well. Can I have a cappuccino? Hot cappuccino? Thank you. Well, we can also sit outside for a little bit if you want. Wow, cappuccino is only 60. Yeah. Yay. Coffee, 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 coffee. Hey, come on, my cappuccino.
看到的那个，它很多都是叫多维青岛，但是多维青岛就是它算是一个群山嘛，它群山里面还有那种小的一些山，它有。
It's almost gonna be 1 p.m. Finished my editing, and now we're off to have some lunch. Ah, this is so pretty, guys. Look at this. Wow. 好美啊. Oh yeah, sure. We're thinking to pick those things up to turn into washing powder.
These are Chinese honey locusts.
Honey locusts?
Yeah.
Oh.
豆角 or 豆荚. It's
Okay.
actually both the same thing. So you can make them into like natural soap or shampoo. Actually, my grandma, they used to, like in our ages, Bianca's ages too, we used to, like, we don't have any washing powder, right?
Yeah.
We just use this.
China back then was poor.
Yeah. And we just grind them into powder and then you just use them as soap.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice.
Yeah, let's pick them up.
But you need the beans
But
inside.
yeah, exactly. I'm like, where's the beans?
These ones has cracked already. I don't see
Okay. But this tree's like everywhere. You hear it, guys? There's some beans inside. Wow, this is so hard. This is like stone. We're now off to have a pad thai. Last time I was here, Eden wanted to take me there, but they closed it for a couple of days. Eden told me it looks super, like the plate just looks super pretty, but at the same time, the price is super affordable. So I'm really looking forward to that. So probably gonna have the best pad thai in my life today. Not sure. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out. How about this one? They're all opened. Michelin of pad thai. There we are. Oh, hello, Buckies. Guys, look at this mountain, seriously. So pretty. Let's go. Take a look. Oh,
It's not very traditional style of pad
Yeah.
thai. They make it into quite creative styles,
it's like,
like fried pad thai,
yeah.
and into all different shapes. And this is pad thai sandwich.
Ah, pad thai sandwich. That's
The ice cream here is
Interesting.
also good.
Let's try one
I
then.
love the ice cream here.
So what should I have? Crispy egg noodle pad thai. Small noodle pad thai. Have more here as well. I am quite hungry right now. 你吃什么？这个什么意思？这个才50铢吗？不是吧？不是价格啊，50铢。
这是30铢，这是50铢。对啊，就是很便宜。
50
These are only 30 baht. It's very cheap here. I think I'm probably gonna have the crispy wonton.
Okay.
Yeah, I liked it last time.
We also got some ice cream here, so we're gonna order one or two, I think. Looks pretty good. Whoa!
Ice cream? Ice cream. Oh. It's ice cream. Microwaving the ice cream. Interesting.
Guys, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. This is 50 baht. This is 30 or 50?
30 baht.
30 baht? Are you serious? We got like 5. How do you cut this?
This is crispy wonton. They like
Crispy
stuff the
wonton.
pad thai into the crispy wonton.
Ah. The pad thai is wrapped with this egg thingy. And then this is the crispy wonton. Oh. Very ambitious. I wouldn't like eat with one bite. Let me try. I am so dumb. Seriously. I think you need to order something more. You got me hungry.
Yeah, probably.
Wow, it is really good. It's like quite salty. Lots of 今天脑子有点短路。酱油
Soy sauce.
soy sauce, lots of soy sauce, and then you have this crispy. Yeah, it's quite good. I like it. Got some eggs on the side, lemon. So good. Let's try this pad thai. This is also so good. Everybody does pad thai in like different ways. Some of them are very, very dry. Some of them are very juicy. And this one, because we have this like egg wrap, just quite unique. Seriously, this is for 50 bucks. Can you believe that? Okay, guys, I forgot. They always prepare some like sauce here. You can add peanut. Here. Put on top. And I also like to put some like dried chili powder as well. Just a little bit. And then you mix it. Another different flavor. We got one more dish. Sandwich. This is also like pad thai inside.
Yeah. Everything is pad thai inside.
Okay.
It's a pad thai sandwich.
Try it.
It's good. This is a deep fried ice cream. It's only 30 baht. Bianca's not here, so I'm gonna open this ice cream by myself alone. Let's try. Where is she? I feel like I'm stealing the ice cream right now. Whoa. Oh my gosh. So good. You can see the outside is quite crispy and the inside is really soft. So creamy. Jesus.
So we had 3 meals, 1 water and 1 dessert, and it was 135 baht.
Yeah.
Which is like around $3, €3, $4.
Yeah. So cheap.
Like it's incredible. Everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video and make it this far. If you're new here, my name is Bianca. In early 2020, I left home for a week trip, ended up stuck outside of my own country. For the past 2 years, I've been gypsy around the world until I can get a ticket to fly back home. I use YouTube to document this incredible journey. In the beginning, it was just a place for me to storage all the good memories, but as time flies by, my pocket is getting smaller and smaller. Now I treat YouTube as my full-time job and I'm working on it every single day. Recently, I have started my own Patreon. This is a place for people who ever want to support me on this journey or just simply wanted to encourage me to create more contents as YouTube income is really not stable. I'll put the link of my Patreon in the description box. Any amount is appreciated. No stress at all. Hope to see you there. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video.